a long 3-day holiday weekend here in the United States, the Dow Jones and other U.S. markets are back in action and back in the history books. Just this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average spiked 255 points higher, breaking above 26,000 for the first time. Even more impressive, it took the Dow just 12 calendar days to move from 25,000 to 26,000, making it the fastest 1,000 move on record for the index. The Dow first traded above 25,000 on January 4th of this year. It's indeed a strong start to the trading week, and focus has already turned to the week ahead that's filled with key data reports and earnings. Wednesday brings in the Eurozone with CPI for December expected to come in unchanged from the previous month at 1.4%. Meanwhile, in North America, U.S. industrial production for December is expected to rise 0.4%, while the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision is due, with expectations calling for a rise to 1.25% from 1%. Moving on to Thursday, we begin down under with Australia's unemployment rate on the docket. The rate is expected to remain unchanged at 5.4%. Then in China, Q4 GDP is on the docket, with expectations calling for a read of 6.7% year over year. And it's Thursday in the U.S., meaning we will see the usual initial and continuing jobless claim figures. In addition, December housing starts are due, and so is the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey. Expectations are calling for a read of 23.5 for January, down from December's read of 26.2. And Friday is all about Europe. We have German producer prices for December due, and in the UK, British retail sales figures are scheduled with expectations calling for a 2.1% rise in December year over year. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the dollar is rallying from a 3-year low this Tuesday as the euro continues to slide amid expectations the European Central Bank will pare back its monetary stimulus this year. Currently, the euro dollar is down 0.31% at 122.28. While in commodities, oil prices remain lower, but losses are expected to remain limited amid optimism over the rebalancing of the market. WTI crude for February contract was down 39 cents, or about 0.61% at $63.91 a barrel. And in precious metals, gold is little change, down 0.03% or 40 cents at $1,334.50 a troy ounce. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Olivia Vosnenko reporting for ICM Capital.